Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 59th episode in the science series. So in science, today it is chemistry. So in chemistry, we're still going to through some more chemical elements. So today we're going to discuss about the chemical element that is known as sodium. So sodium is a chemical element with the symbol Na, which means natrium in Latin, and the atomic number 11. So sodium symbol is Na but not SO, because sodium means natrium in Latin, whose short form is Na. Yes. So examples of these being translated into Latin, and again their simple form is in the Latin version, includes gold with next and also silver. Yes. So while gold has Au even if it is Gold, silver has Ag even if it is Silver, the spelling of silver. So it is a soft silvery white, highly reactive metal, as of all of the alkaline earth metals too. So all of the other alkaline earth metals are also highly reactive, mostly soft enough to be cut by a knife, but still they are metals. Yes, so very weak metals. So it is an alkaline metal, so it is in group 1 of the periodic table in period 3. Yes, it is in the first group, that means the first column, and the third period, or known as the third row. Yes, so it is the 6th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and exists in numerous minerals such as feldspars, sodalite and halite. Here halite is just the crystals, the salt crystals. Yes. So again, salt is made up of sodium and chloride. So NaCl. So yeah. So many salts of the sodium are highly water soluble. So most salts which have sodium can be easily mixed into water. Yes, while other salts may or may not be easily mixed with water, like a salt with any other metal. Yes. So next, at the standard temperature and pressure, it is normally a solid, especially a silvery white solid. Yes. So the melting point is 370.9 Kelvin. That's a pretty high temperature. And this boiling point is 1150 Kelvin. Yeah, very hotter. So the density of sodium is 0.968 grams per cubic centimeter. Yeah, it's less than water, but just a bit less than water. Yes. So it was first isolated by Humphrey Davy in 1807 by the electrolytes of sodium hydroxide. So here the term isolated means made as a separate atom instead of a part of a large compound or molecule. Yes. So this Humphrey Davy in 1807, so using the compound sodium hydroxide, he just took out the sodium from the sodium hydroxide, and he isolated the material for the first time ever in human history, I think. So the next, the uses of sodium. Sodium is pretty important, so it has many uses. So first, sodium chloride is extensively used for anti-icing and de-icing and as a preservative. So many times, like if you live in the places where if there is winter it will snow, people just throw this salt on the ground, or also known as sodium chloride, to make the roads melt. Yes, so you may have noticed it if you are in those regions. And again, one note, so most of these uses are in the form of sodium, which is not a separate element. Yes, so sodium will do all of these uses only if it is combined with another element or it is in a molecular state. Yes. So next, sodium bicarbonate is using baking and soda blasting. Yeah. Next, sodium hydride is used as a base for various reactions in organic chemistry. Yes. So the sodium is used for just de-icing. Next, used as a base for experiments and also for baking. It has a multitasking. Yes. So again, sodium plasma lamps are often used for street lighting. Sodium plasma lamps. Yeah. Next, in humans, sodium is an essential mineral that regulates blood volume, blood pressure, osmotic equilibrium, and the pH of our body. That's it does many things to inside our body also. So we need to eat a bit of salt. So and also salt is the principal source of sodium inside our diet. Any other salts are inside our body, we can't eat them. Only sodium chloride is the only edible salt which we can normally eat. Industrial salt, no, we can't eat that. While normal food, rock salt, we can eat that as a flavoring. Yes. So yeah, this is for today about sodium. Bye.